So on any chart, you find a market that is like this, that is consolidating, like going to the side like this. As a trader, you are expected to ignore it and go to the next pair, or maybe leave the chart for the day. You wait for either it goes to the upside like this, or it sells and comes to the downside like this. So when the market has entered this kind of phase, this kind of consolidating phase, is not in the bullish phase, it's not in the bearish phase, it's in this consolidating phase, you are expected or advised to leave the market. So how do you get your buyers for the day? There are 3 time frames included that you will be using. We have the higher time frame, we have the mid time frame, and we have the lower time frame. Now, the essence of this higher time frame is a bigger picture of the trade, where you want to see the market direction. And the essence of this mid time frame is a mid picture, like where you want to analyze and mark your structures, then wait for the market to come to your point of interest before you actually take trade. And we have the lower time frame, where you want to see a kind of confirmation that the market is either ready to buy according to the higher time frame direction, or ready to sell according to the higher time direction. So in this time frame, we wait for confirmation like market structure shift or change of character. So if you feel like you don't want much confirmation like that, you can actually stick to the mid time frame and just execute your trade from there with proper risk management. And another thing that we use the lower time frame, that is the confirmation time frame for, is for better or tighter stop loss. So in this scenario now, I'll be using the 4 hour for my own higher time frame. It is 4 hour time frame for my own higher time frame. So in your own case, you might be using maybe the daily, the 1 hour, but in my own case now, I'm using the 4 hour time frame for my own higher time frame, overall time frame. So now, what do I want to do on this higher time frame now? I can see that the higher time frame, this 4 hour here, is kind of bullish around there, and right now the market here is kind of coming down right from here, as you can see. It's kind of from here coming down. So on this 4 hour time frame, basically I want to look at the current price leg direction, and which this year, this does the price direction before it was bullish, and now recently now what is invoked now is that the price leg is what is coming to downside. So this move from here to here is my own current price leg direction for the higher time frame. So what I want to do is just to see that the current price leg direction on the higher time frame. Now that I know that the